I grew up in Riverside, Rhode Island. It's the city in the state of Rhode Island, which is the smallest state in the Union. However, Rhode Island has the longest name of all the states, Rhode Island and Providence Plantations. Riverside is a suburb of Providence. It sits on Narragansett Bay, which is a place we went to a lot, and that's salt water. And it's very close to all the oceans, where we did lots of swimming in the summer because the ocean warms up, because it has the Gulf Stream coming up to warm up the ocean. One of my favorite places as a kid growing up in Riverside was Crescent Park. Crescent Park had all kinds of rides, and all the kids hung out there. One of the things it still has, in fact, the only thing it still has left, is a Loof carousel merry-go-round that was built in the 1800s. Still a good time to ride that. Another thing about Crescent Park was they had fabulous chowder and clam cakes. They don't have those anymore, but you can get them anywhere in Riverside or Rhode Island, as well as quahogs and my most favorite, lobster. There are lots of historical places in Riverside. One house I can remember was dated in the 1600s. People have been in Rhode Island for a long time because Rhode Island was one of the first of the 13 colonies to get its independence. Another thing I like to do in Rhode Island is in the cold winters when we get a couple of really good snowstorms, it was wonderful to go skate at Willard Avenue Pond and have hot chocolate at the Little Shack. The weather's pretty cold there in winter, probably not as cold as Michigan, but it's a good winter there, and the summers are similar to Michigan because they're hot and humid and there's lots of mosquitoes. Those are my memories of Riverside, Rhode Island.